Hi, my name's Parker. This is the 2023 BMW iX M60. This 16-foot long car and 6.5 feet wide vehicle features some cool new things, such as new Fender technology, which when heated or gets too hot, it self-repairs, so any nicks or scratches tend to come out due to the heat with the new BMW technology. Another really cool new feature about the new BMW's electric vehicle series is the active driver's assistance. Another great feature about this car is the comfort access sense, which allows the user to have a high level of customizable features, such as adjusting settings to your needs and desires when the car senses that you're approaching, as well as displaying a cool lights show when you get in at night. Some of the reasons why it might be great to switch to an electric vehicle such as the iX M60 are the great range for this vehicle, which goes upwards of 288 miles without needing any additional charge. It features a 0 to 60 in about 3.6 seconds with 610 horsepower as well. In addition to that, you may even qualify for up to $7,500 in tax credit, which will also go up in more in savings as you cut down on gas bills and your expected future maintenance bills for typical combustion vehicles. The home charging capabilities of the BMW Wallbox, a level 2 charger, which can get you a full battery in under 12 hours.